Hi guys, welcome again in Chemistry World. In today's session, I am going to discuss about nomenclature of aromatic hydrocarbon radicals. Similar to aliphatic hydrocarbon radicals, when 1, 2 and 3 hydrogen atoms are replaced from aromatic hydrocarbon, then monovalent, bivalent and trivalent radicals are obtained respectively. For monovalent, bivalent and trivalent radicals, iodine suffix is used respectively for naming. For example, when one hydrogen atom is replaced from arene or vanillin, then phenyl monovalent radical is obtained. Similarly, one hydrogen atom replaced from toluene from benzene, then ortho, meta or para toluene monovalent radical is obtained. We know that it is ortho position, it is meta position and it is para position. Similarly, when 1, 2 and 3 hydrogen atoms are replaced from toluene molecule, in toluene molecule these hydrogen atoms are replaced from methyl group, then monovalent, bivalent and trivalent radicals are obtained. It is benzyl monovalent, so "-" suffix is used. It is benzyl. It is benzylidene because it is bivalent, so iodine suffix is used here, and it is trivalent, so iodine suffix is used. So these are known as benzylidene or benzyl, and trivalent radical is known as benzylidene or benzo radical group. These are so important. I repeat, it is benzyl, it is benzyl or benzylidene, and it is benzo or benzylidene radical. If you don't know about the aromatic radicals, you can't write the naming of aromatic compounds. So these are so important. For example, these are some organic compounds, its common name and chemical formula, which are related to proper knowledge of aromatic hydrocarbon radicals. Example first, phenyl chloride. If you don't know about phenyl group, you can't write the chemical formula of phenyl chloride or aryl chloride. So, when Cl atom attached to monovalent phenyl group, then we obtain the chemical formula of phenyl chloride. So, chemical formula is C6H5Cl. Here, chlorine atom is directly attached to benzene ring. Now, next example, orthochlorotoluene. Here, at ortho position, one chlorine atom is attached. So, chemical formula of orthochlorotoluene is Cl(C6H4CH3). Now next, third example, benzyl chloride or benzylidene chloride. Here, iodine suffix is used, so it is bivalent, and when two chlorine atom is attached in benzylidene radical, then we we can write the chemical formula of benzylidene chloride C6H5CH2. Now next, fourth example, biphenyl. We know that phenyl radical is C6H5, and when two phenyl group is directly attached, then we get chemical formula of biphenyl C6H5 single bond C6H5. Now next, fifth example, benzyl carbocation. We know that benzyl group is C6H5CH2 and carbocation show positive charge to that carbon atom. So chemical formula of benzyl carbocation is C6H5CH2 plus. Now we take some multiple choice type questions. After watching the video, you can solve all questions yourself. So welcome again. Question first. Bivalent radical of benzene is called phenyl, phenylene, benzyl, none of the above. We know that for bivalent radical, ylene suffix is used. So answer will be option B, phenylene. Now next question. Monovalent radical of toluene is benzyl, toluene, both A and B, benzo. We know that after one hydrogen replacement from toluene from methyl group and benzene, then benzyl and toluene radicals are obtained respectively. So answer will be both A and B. Now next, third question. The chemical formula of benzyl chloride is C6H5Cl, C6H5CHCl2, C6H5CH2Cl, none of the above. Benzyl chloride. We know that yl suffix is used for monovalent radical, so answer will be option C. Now next question, question 4. The structure of benzo or benzylidene is option A, B, C and D. We know that iodine suffix is used for trivalent radical, so answer will be option D. Now next question, monovalent radical of arene is phenyl, phenylene, phenylidene, none of the other. We know that for monovalent radical, yl suffix is used, so answer will be option A. Hopefully guys, you have enjoyed the super trick of naming of aromatic hydrocarbon radicals. Thanks for watching.